How to fix Telegram download error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram download error on Android phone. First open settings and here just scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Telegram and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then scroll down until you find storage and then click clear cache, and after that click permissions, and then make sure you need to enable you need to allow storage. Just click on it and click allow, and after that just go back and go to storage, and now just clean some space. You can clean just junk files, or you can clean some space from your gallery. Just delete some photos and videos, and that's it. Then just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.